The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Mr. Greetings. You don't know, I the one and only lion face on the check-in, seeing? The only time when you see me is something important, something special. Because I don't have time for the fucker and the riff-raff. I have business I take care of, you see me? Remember the Arc Rhythm in stores, yeah? Look out for it, all major platforms. But other than that, I'm there to discuss an issue, you know. What I have to address, you know. Because the commander send me a video, there's some people in my inbox and them vex. So yeah, what? I gotta address the issue nice and decently. This bumbuckler boy, our name, Dufton Taylor, aka Tony Matara. You know him? The youth when I carry around the world and help come out of blood clot sufferation. You know him? Dufton Taylor, Tony Matara. We notice that anytime him need some kind of relevancy, him call up people name. If a killer, if a wolf name, everything him come like the bumbuckler, the red in the egg. He mean everything. Every month him have something to say about somebody. All people will help him. Now picture a killer. Killer put him on a pedestal. Him. This killer the most way. But him feel like say, I saw the thing go. Killer just make him go and feel like say him, you know? Let me see. In the long run, you know, after a youth like me with blood clot help him come out of sufferation. See him? Him run from Jamaica, me carry him back to Jamaica. See him? Him run away, you know, overstay, me carry him back. Get him back stamp, bring him back a foreign, carry him all over Japan, all over the blood clot place. Nobody don't know him. But turn around to see him coming at 2020 and I try style man. You see me? But at the wrong youth, you know. You know me? You know me quite well. At 2 times I licking at your blood clot face. See? And you come and I call up the name and I talk one bag of lies. Now when me I fight against you for, you have something that me not have? You have house? Me have house, you have car, we have car. Where you have me not have? Me understand. When me I fight you for? I mean help blood clot Maggie. Me say you to help Maggie when you couldn't help her. When we go to Jamaica, you know no money for give Maggie. Remember say Maggie living in one little 4x4 zinc something side of the tire shop there so. See him? Pan Spanish Town Road there so. Remember? A little zinc something there. And you know no money for give when we go. Man, me I say, all this Maggie is an ungrateful post soul. See him? And at 2 times I licking at your blood clot mouth and wait, the next time I see you, make sure you have your gun them in a post soul. And you call up Stereofish and ask Junior P and ask this one and that blood clot one like you try manipulate the bomber clot people them is a liar boy. See? 7 months minute there jail, not a year and change. Stop lie. See? Dufton Taylor. And my name you call up? Me? My name you call up? Hold on. And fix your business.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope everyone is okay and alright. So, this video that I'm doing is to let you know about 2 videos that are out on social media, and these 2 videos, each of these videos are getting somewhat of a buzz out there on social media. I mean, these 2 videos, they are being talked about on social media, isn't it? And I just presented to you one of those videos that are out on social media. And according to what had been said on social media about the video that I just presented to you, it is said that that video shows a person who is talking about a person who is known as Tony Matara. You see me? Now, Tony Matara is a person who is well known when it comes on to Jamaica music industry. You see me? Yeah, when it comes on to Jamaica music, Tony Matara is well known. Some persons might call him a DJ or a selector. You see me? But however, you know, according to some of the things that have been said on social media about the video that I just presented to you, it is said that this person disrespected Tony Matara, alright? Some of these comments that have been made on social media about the video that I just presented to you gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that some of the things that this person said are considered to be threats towards Tony Matara. Now, to my knowledge, this person goes by the name of Lion Face on social media. Yeah, that's Lion Face. You see me? And this person said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that he said that Tony Matterhorn disrespected him and that Tony Matterhorn told lies. Now, viewers and subscribers, I presented this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think and to also keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? This video is getting somewhat of a buzz out there on social media. Bring it to you to let you know about this video. Is what I'm saying to you. Now, with that, I'm going to move on to another video right about now. You see? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is basically a follow-up to a video that I posted some time ago that shows when a female who is known as Candy Wow confronted a female who is known as Cheese about money. You understand? Now, for those who might not know what I'm talking about, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and when you click that link will take you to the video that I posted some time ago that shows when Candy Wow confronted a female who is known as Cheese about money. You see me? Now, this video that I'm going to present to you is going to show when Cheese gave Candy Wow money. You understand? Now, this whole thing is out there on social media and it's being talked about on social media, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that Candy Wow need help. You see me? Some persons are saying that Candy Wow might be having somewhat of a mental issue or some mental issues. You understand? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about this video that I'm about to present to you, and you can let me know what you think about the whole thing overall. When it comes on to this whole thing where it is said that Candy Wow confronted a female who is known as Cheese about money. You understand? Alright, now as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
You want some money? But you want to go to the rest of me.
Then suppose the people send me no figure it. The woman, suppose the woman send them and send me no figure it.
Yeah, I can't keep it.
And me I keep it, me no want it. So can they come here people? More yes, someone go there so I want to witness. Yeah. Yeah.
Get me like ugly now.
Get can't like ugly. People, where mean cheese come in, man? Where mean cheese come in, man? Say it's in a cool shade this right so.
Wash my clothes. Wash me and wash. Wash me and wash. And wash my clothes. And wash it up on the road tonight. I'm not coming back to the man. Party to the whole land. Me and my friend. Cross the road.
The lady reach here so will give me the money for the candy.
Yeah. Feel like it works. No one them picking no place.
Not at all.
No, they don't want them picking. But now that I'm not glad they don't want you. No. What's the beautiful girl?
Nice little girl.
She's coming on my moon. She's mom.
They're gonna make you move. What problem? What kind of ears are they for?
Me left the clothes in my water.
You ever the part
Me I
ears?
wash my clothes.
You ever the part ears?
One morning me I wash my clothes and through the sun, baby. I mean I rub out my clothes.
Me know the penny there, but them say me to give her, them say to give her the whole of money. I make you go on.
So give me my go on cheese.
Say,
I go wash my clothes.
There's a look. I'm gonna call you for you next time for even think about it and say, you know me beat me, me little baby. Yeah. What I mean if you want to think about it, that is your child, that is your baby baby. Alright, you say, listen Candy, yeah? You say,
You're poor.
you see. So $4,000 I can buy a school shoes?
Listen, she
Yeah,
has shoes already.
She have shoes
Everything buy
already.
already.
She can't have shoes already.
Cheese, just throw your them in the moon, cheese. I'm not in cheese. Oh, everybody else tell you that.
Don't give her. Hold on. Wait, man.
And when that when they can't do like no kumpa, no way you talk. No way you talk. Yeah. No. Don't different. Nobody knows that.
Boy. People, this hurt my heart so much for this thing I gotta do. I take out the 100 left there, remember? I put it in back. Every see she get $1,000 already from me. Take it out. You see that, people? Catch us now. Every single cent. Hold the paper. No. Sorry, the lady never did on the line. I was gonna give her daughter, but I'm good. Somebody called me and said, Cheese, give the woman the whole of the money. This is a hard blood clot, right? This is a hard one. In the area? Me listen to the blood clot. Dirty teeth, y'all. That me I do listen to what the people must say. Be a carelessness woman, you get spotlight and help, and them want help them picnic, candy or rose. Same thing. Mind you run with the money. Run with the money, them me care about the money. The money is not my money. Every single cent me account. Try it again. Come, turn on the camera. Nonsense, girl. Everything I get, I can't bother with the problem. Come. 11,330. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 30. All this. Have a nice life. Have a nice life, and I hope you make yourself better. You don't jump here. Watch out. Go take coke now. Girl, go spend it on coke. Watch out. Lady, me can't do no better. Me have to do this. It hurt my heart to see this when me I do. But people not for understand me. Me no want no dirty germs come call me blood clot me about no money. The amount of money when me I hold in life right now. It hurt my heart for this do because me want to give her mother, but that's it. I don't give a fuck what she want to do with it. Anything she want to do with it, she do with it. It's not my money. You see me? You say she take the money with no heart. You see she take the money with no heart. Oh, I throw me and throw water for that blood clot. Throw water, come away. Can't come the way. The whole like me give her blood clot. You mean? Oh, you mean that not meant to do with me? Me no want no type. That's why I look healthy. Make she go on with it. People me that gonna give the baby. But I better me give the cokehead. Make she go on with it. Yeah. My heart for no one. The little girl does not think about her pitney. Nobody not call up my name. No one is going to call my name. You see what she say? Give the baby a thing. And then she take everything and she gone. She gone. Make she go on. And them can't call me name alive. I go do this.
Viewers and subscribers, really and truly, if Candy Wow is going through some mental issues, I only hope that someone will try and help her in some way. You understand me? You see? And you see, there's a thing like this, you know. You see, when it comes down to a person that have mental issue, you see, some of the times it's really hard to get them to really realize what's going on with them. You understand me? Yeah, but at all times, do not be disrespectful to them and try and be understanding. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, we know that some of the times you have some of these persons with mental issues might do some things that are really bad, but at the same time, we have to really realize that they are not really of their own mind. You understand? Yes, so if Candy Wow really and truly is going through some mental issues, I only hope that, you know, somehow someone help or, you know, somehow she get over what's going on. You see me? Yes, some comments have been made on social media where it is said that she's doing drugs, you know, and, you know, in the video, I also hear where, you know, some things have been mentioned that gave me the understanding that, you know, this whole thing about doing drugs, you know, had been mentioned in the video, but you know, I have no proof of that. You understand? You see me? And when it comes on to the video that shows the person who talked about Tony Matterhorn, well, viewers and subscribers, some of the things that I heard in that video don't sound safe to me. You see it? But anyways, I only hope that, you know, nothing go too wrong or go too far. You understand? I only hope that everything work out okay and alright for each and every one. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Let me know what you think about the two videos that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?